Let's talk about a feeling. A feeling you've probably had lately when you're online. The sense that the internet is just getting worse. Well, it's not in your head. There's a name for it. AI slop. And you're wading through it every single day, whether you know it or not. Right? Have you felt this? You're looking for something, scrolling through your feed, and it all just feels hollow, soulless, like you're in an ocean of low-quality junk. You are not imagining it. There is a very real reason the internet feels so different now, and the problem is growing way faster than most people realize. And this is what we're calling it, AI slop. Just think of it as this massive flood of content that was made by a real person with a real passion or a story to tell. Nope. It's generated by machines that have one single goal: to trick algorithms and get your attention, even if it means sacrificing quality or worse, the truth. And just to get a sense of the scale of this thing, look at this number. About half. Half of all internet traffic isn't even human. It's bots. And yeah, some of them are fine, but a huge chunk of them are the engine that spreads all this AI slop. They create the fake likes. They share the AI articles. They poison the comment sections. We are already the minority on our own internet. This isn't some problem for the future. We are living right in the middle of it. You could call it the golden era of slop. Why? Because it has never ever been cheaper or easier to mass-produce mediocre, soulless content. And it is popping up absolutely everywhere. So where is all this slop? I mean, where isn't it? It's those bizarre, terribly rewritten books you see cluttering up Amazon. It's the wave of AI-generated music flooding Spotify. It's the endless stream of pointless, low-effort videos on social media that are just there to hold your gaze for 3 seconds. It's even entire news websites that are just publishing AI-generated lies. No platform is safe. But okay, what happens when people who actually care about quality, people who want to make good stuff, try to use these new AI tools? Well, the team at the science channel Kurzgesagt ran an experiment. They wanted to see if AI could help them with their research. And what they discovered reveals this hidden, really dangerous flaw that's at the very heart of generative AI. So, first let's just look at how they do things normally, the human way. For just one of their videos, their team spends over 100 hours just on fact-checking. 100 hours. They're digging through academic papers, hunting down primary sources. And then they have multiple human experts review every single word. The goal is super simple. Be accurate. It's slow. It's expensive. And it is incredibly meticulous. And this right here, this is the fundamental difference. A human researcher is looking for the truth, but an AI language model, its job is to please you. Its only function is to give you a confident, plausible-sounding answer as quickly as it can. You have no idea how it got that answer. And the result is this dangerous cocktail of fact and total fiction. So, the Kurzgesagt team gave the AI a research topic, brown dwarfs. And at first, the results were incredible. I mean, wow. The AI spit out pages and pages of info packed with fascinating details, even links to sources. It looked like a total game changer, a revolution in how to do research. But then they started to actually check the work. And here's the twist. The team discovered that the AI had confidently just made stuff up. To do its job of giving them an interesting summary, it literally invented facts like the exact speed of brown dwarf superstorms just to make the whole thing sound cooler. It wasn't just wrong. It lied to them to be more helpful. And this is where it gets really scary, because this isn't just about one little incorrect fact. This tendency for AI to just invent information creates a death spiral for the truth itself. It's a powerful misinformation feedback loop. This is the hidden pattern that explains the whole problem. Step 1. An AI makes up a plausible-sounding lie. Step 2. A low-effort content farm turns that lie into a slick-looking video. Step 3. That video gets a ton of views, which gives it authority in the eyes of the algorithm. And here's the final killer step. The next generation of AIs scan the internet for information. They find that popular video, and they absorb the lie into their programming as a fact. And here's the chilling conclusion of that whole process. After being washed through this cycle, that original lie becomes indistinguishable from the truth. It's now a fact that's been cited by a popular source, a source that was just based on a machine's hallucination in the first place. The misinformation is now, for all practical purposes, true. So, this goes way beyond a few wrong facts on the internet. This feedback loop is actively polluting our most valuable shared resource, the entire library of human knowledge. Because AIs learn from the internet, They are now learning from the very slop they helped create. It's like our digital world is slowly eating itself. And it's already happening in places where the stakes are incredibly high, like the world of science. And if you need proof, look no further than scientific papers themselves. An analysis of millions of papers found this sudden sharp spike in the use of words that are commonly favored by AI models, and it starts the second those models went public. You can see it right here. The footprint is undeniable. AI is already deep inside the scientific process. The consequences of this are just chilling. We have researchers who have been caught hiding prompts in their own papers in tiny white text so that an AI will review their work positively. This isn't a mistake. It's a feature of a system that rewards speed and quantity over integrity. Our collective library of knowledge, the very foundation we build our future on, is becoming measurably less reliable. Which brings all of this down to a choice. A choice for all of us in a world with an infinite supply of cheap machine-generated noise. What do we actually value? What is worth our single most precious resource? Our attention. I mean, just look at the two side by side. AI slop is built for one thing: capturing your attention. It values quantity and speed above everything else. The end result is a world that's dumber and more confused. But human creation at its best is about sharing knowledge, art, and connection. Its value is in its integrity, its creativity. The two are fundamentally fighting against each other. So, I'll leave you with this question. As the internet gets more and more flooded with slop that's designed to trick you, entertain you for a split second, and then just disappear, what will you choose to give your attention to? Because in this new world, being deliberate about what you read and watch isn't just a preference anymore. It's an act of defiance. It's how we decide what kind of internet and really what kind of world we actually want to live in.